So the question is it too late to buy Celsius Holdings? As you can see, if you just take from May 2020, price is up over 6,000%. Now we did have a massive opportunity to buy. For anyone who missed the pullbacks, the most recent pullback was to this monthly buyer's level at $48. Again, the question is it too late to buy Celsius Holdings? Now, if I go to the weekly chart, the pullback created a weekly seller's level. So let's mark that. Weekly sellers at $67. So the question is it too late to buy Celsius Holdings? Well, to get some additional clues, let's look at this article. So Celsius Holdings has been one of the hottest stocks on the market over the past 5 years, with the company's growth engine having kicked into high gear. Expanding beyond being a regional drink to a national one has been a massive growth driver, and now the company is making steady steps to keep that momentum going. So Celsius has been on a growth tear, aided by the popular product and distribution deal with Pepsi signed in 2022. The move also coincided with the buyout of distribution deals with previous partners, which is where you see the following losses. But generally, this is a high growth company that's maintained profitability along the way. Pepsi allows Celsius to grow quickly in North America, where the company generated 96% of its revenue last quarter. So that should give you a clue as to whether it's too late to buy or not. But it will also enable international growth, which is almost untapped right now. The key, international growth. Now, it's difficult to look at Celsius growth and valuation and not be concerned. Shares trade for 66 times next year's analyst estimates, and analysts expect 66% revenue growth over the next 2 years. That's a high bar for any company. However, you compare its next best competitor, which is Monster Beverage, well, you can see that premium was worth it. As you can see, Monster Beverage revenue and income, net income since 2005. However, it gets better. Celsius often falls into the energy drink category, and that makes sense on the surface, given how Celsius originally positioned itself. But this is a more accessible product than Monster. That's why we see Celsius beginning to be more prominently displayed at big box retailers, fast casual restaurants, and even coffee shops. This isn't a niche product, it's a mass market product that fits between sodas and fancy waters that have become popular over the past decade. With that said, growth trends can last for at least the next decade as Celsius gets into more stores and pushes into more countries. If the company does become bigger than Monster, it would make the company essentially a $15 billion market cap still at today's prices. And so what is the market cap? I mean, the market cap right now is 15 billion. Um, so what the article is saying is that at 15 billion, it could be a steal. However, what we need to see is price take out this weekly seller's level, retest, and then move higher on the next leg. Now let's look at that weekly seller's level to see if it's worth being concerned about. All right, so you can see how price rallied base for several weeks, and then you see this huge move down followed by another gap and red ERC candle on high volume. So this is where the meat of the zone is at. So price is roughly $2 away from that level. Again, let's scroll out. So let's back this up. Let's redo this. This is what I'm projecting. I'm going to take this off now because we already got the bounce. Price moves higher, pulls back, breaks through, pulls back to retest all-time highs, and then moves higher. Over the next 6 to 12 months, look for a target at the $80 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.